In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists effectively in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user, checklists can transform the way you organize and manage tasks on your boards. So let's dive right into it and unlock the power of checklists for maximizing your productivity. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Simply open the Trello website and click that little button that says Login. It should be right at the top and easy to spot. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to log in. For today's exercise, let's click on Google and select your account from the list. This option is not only convenient, but it ensures that you have one less password to remember. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Trello board where you want to add a checklist. Go to your card by clicking on it, which should open up a detailed view of that particular card. Here in this view, you can see various options and details specific to that card. On the right hand side of the screen, you should see an option labeled checklist. Click on it and a new menu will pop up, allowing you to create a checklist within the card. Now it's time to personalize your checklist by giving it a unique title. This step is crucial because a descriptive title helps you keep different checklists organized and easily identifiable. Click where it says add title and type in a name that summarizes what the checklist is all about. It could be related to a specific task or a big project milestone you're working towards. After you've entered a title, hit the add button to save it. Now your checklist is officially part of your Trello card and you can start filling it with specific items. Click where it says add an item and enter the first task or step you want to include in the checklist. Once you've typed in the item, click add to insert it into your list. Repeat this process to build out the rest of your checklist, typing in each item one at a time. As you work through your tasks, remember that you can track your progress right there within Trello. Check off an item by simply clicking on the checkbox next to it. This action will mark it as complete and give you a satisfying sense of accomplishment. If you have a long checklist with lots of items, there's a handy feature for decluttering your view. Select the option Hide Checked Items to get an unobstructed view of the remaining work. This feature not only makes your checklist look cleaner, but also helps you focus on what's left to tackle. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use Trello checklists effectively. By following these steps, you've set up a functional and organized system to keep your projects on track. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing with Trello!